Just 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, this one. Hello. Our season 2 Euro Cup. Okay, it's first 5, please. In the center. Ladies and gentlemen. Norway versus Georgia. That's Norway team and Georgia Dark. Ladies and gentlemen, our first opening game.
Shout out kay Bernie Acosta. Bernie Acosta, tara dito.
Norway. Okay, we have an official toast by our commissioner. Kenneth Aguba. Yes, taking picture. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations. Give him a word of applause. Our opening game. Thank you very much. Our season 2 Euro Cup. Double between number 10 and number 29. Okay, first one. It's a handball Jump on again. Number 29 to number 10. Okay, first ball. Pick up by number. Again, rebound. Up by number 10, number 6, 11. That's the first ball. First ball way goes in number 10. First personal foul, first team foul, Norway. Trophy to award to number 3. First result. Second throw. Ready for rebound. First point, number 3. Dark, Georgia. Number 10. Julio. Got it by number 3. Pass in the corner. It's beyond. Don't pass to number 29. Then second shot, have the shot. And agad. Rebound by number 3. Oy, nakapit. Diretso, hindi mawak ng bola. Ayan ako, diretso. Natalagan na naman ang foul. Foul when it goes to number 17. First personal foul, second team foul. Dark, 1 point. Seola Kirab, like this. Second throw, ready for rebound. Yes, sa kanila ba, sa kanila kulang. 2 free throw. Connect number 3. Official score, we have 2-0. Number 2 now, pass to number 8 is Bulon. Is Bulon drive, look back, pass to number 10, Julio. Julio, number 10, pass to number 41, Yuval. Malik ang bantay na rin dito, Yuval, using the glass, connect for 2 points. Nice penetration by number 41. Official score, 4-0. We have 10 minutes and 47, almost 1 minute gone by. Julio sa ilalim, hindi naman ito yung sabang by number 3, pass to number 3 now. Number 3 now. Sa pass, hindi mo si pass number 10 sa ilalim, number 6. Nagan, battle for the rebound. Julio now pick up the ball. Long pass to number 8 is Colon. Nasa ilaban number 4. Nagdaring na iso. Using the glass, Nagan. Long pass to number 16. Number 16 now. Long high, number 06. Pass to number 3. There's a 3 seconds violation of Villanueva rolling. Tinupuan. Our 2 official referee, we have Mr. Francisco and Mr. Rolly. They are back to the game. It's Julio. Pass to number 17, number 25, number 29 now. In the corner, Kile, favorite shot, number 17. First point of the ball game. Macau. Number 76, right, using pass, number battle rebound by number 29, all out of pass to Ispolon. Ispolon, medyo malit ang bantay, darinig sa Ispolon, at to ang bantay, mga kaibigan, you need the reach. Ayan, number 16, number Ramis now, pass to number 41, nakamik ang mula, out of bounds. We have 9 minutes and 29 minutes time. Official score, 4-2, in favor of Norway. Ayan sa Ispolon, nagmamadil, pass to Macauban. Macauban natawa ng foul. Foul jersey number 3. First personal foul, first team foul. Di ba? Mayroon pang 10 seconds na lang. Kunting tiis na lang. Okay. Baseline inbound. Number 10, Julio inbound. Pass to number 29. Pass to ilalim. Julio, nakamit Macauban. By battle rebound by number 10, Julio. Using the glass, rebound, pick up by number 4. And number 3 now, nagpapagay. 3 on 4, 4 on 2. Natawa pa kami, wala na kumabol. Number 10, easy layup, connect for 2 points. Number 10 of the star, we have 6. Oh, going up. There's a result. A foul committed, wearing jersey number 10, first personal foul, second team foul. South Division. Two free throw awarded number 10, Julio. Julio, asawa ni Julia. Unang tinay. Yes! Good for 2 points. Julio, first point. Julio. Second, ready for rebound. Rebound! Oy! Pumasok si Mr. Natawagan ng foul in and out of shooting foul number 06. Okay. Substitution. Foul number 06. First personal foul. Third default. We have 8 minutes and 40 remaining time. First quarter. Unang pila, Julio ay nag-invest. At kung sino yung nagbubuto, meron po tayo na, no? May pagkain po tayo sa pagkakanan sa may stage, okay? Second one, ready for rebound. We have 6. Okay, our free throw was brought to you by Venus and... Oy, patuloy na! Number 10, wala pa rin. Oh, ang good system collect me doon. Ay, hibad! Ramos! Ay!
Kailangan mo mag-fit.
Okay, dire-diretso po tayo. 6-3. Tatlo po ang lamang na yan. George. Number 99, Short! Take over number 1. Pass through number 06. Ay, easy 2 points. New ball number 41. Ay, kaya na. Official score, we have 8-3 with 8 minutes more to play. We have 2 minutes gone by the first quarter. Makaubang. As bumalik ang bang! Easily up! Natawagan ng foul. Was already foul na jersey number 10. Number 10. First personal foul. 40 foul. Substitution. First foul number 10, 14 foul. First free throw Makaumbang. Parang na-trade lang. 8-4. Ayan, Hogazo. We have 8 minutes and 52 remaining first quarter. Official score 8-5, 3 points lead by Georgia. Pass on the 06. Walang jumper! In and out! Rebound! Oy! Pag-rebound talaga yun po. Ayan ang number 10, Julio. Yung pass to Estilo Tapas. Ang ganda ng pasa. Estilo Dios in the glass. 2 points. Estilo Tapas. Julio, sorry. Julio. Official score 7-8. 1 point. Number 3 now. Nice movement number... Oh, short! Diba? Number 06. Easy to find. Ayan ang official score. 10-7. We have 7 minutes more to play. 7 minutes. Julio, guarded by number 6. Pass to number 99. Wala makita pa. Pasado Makaumbang. Bakante. Oy, pinasa sila. Second shoot. Oh, natawagan ng foul. Foul number 3. Number 3. Second personal foul. Penalty. Georgia, you are now in the penalty with 6 minutes and 57 remaining time. First quarter. France? Okay. Our substitution was brought to you by Dressed Bubak Tea. Okay, we have 6 minutes and 54 remaining time. Almost close the ball. Okay. Substitution. Okay, pasok. Tawag. Okay, pumasok si number 66. Tirado. 6 minutes and 40. Umbak. Lobos by number 10. Nakawakas to. Ay! Tumama po sa kanyang 1 hole. Out of bounds. Turnover in the part of Brian. Pumasok. Bounce to number 06. Pull up jumper. Using the glass. Battle for the rebound. Pass to number 41. Oh, ganda ng tira. Isa battle for the rebound. Number 66 out. Gerardo control the rebound. Pass to number 10. Back to Gerardo. Gerardo now. Pass to number 17. Makaupa. Pass to number 10. Then finish that last off. Not the walk and a foul. A foul. Number. Penalty.
He scored 10-8. Lamang
Second personal foul, number 76, penalty. 6 minutes. Go for it on number 10. First single. Minjula. Ay, short. 6 minutes. We have 4 minutes gone by in the first quarter. Ayan na, pass. Number 085 on the downtown. Boy! Mindy short. Aha! 6 minutes, 5 minutes and 45. 166, pass to Makaumba, pull up jumper, Makaumba. Rebound 06. Pass to Yumal. Yumal nagmamadali. Yumal nasarap si Julio. Yumal! Pass to now with Julio. Julio now diretso. Pass to number 66. Tirado. Nasa tuloy. Number 06 now. Number 06 now. Pass to number 41 Yumal. Pick up by number 17. Makaumba. Makaumba pass to Minjula. Minjula pass to Makaumba. Sarili sa Makaumba. Uy, yun! Siniklas ko for 2 points. Makaumba. Yan na. Tumira na 3 points. Nakakuha ng bigas si Makaumba ngayon. So we have 4 minutes and 57 minutes.
Black 10 all.
Number 06. Diretso. Pull up jumper. Number 10. Julio. Julio now. Nagpapaba ng bola. Boy! First hit lang of the ball game. First hit lang. 10 all. Number 47. Back to Minjula. Minjula now. Acting by Tirado. Yeah! Tirado! Chance timeout! Our timeout was brought to you by our sponsor, EXN Green, Puma P, Rapple Team,
Score 12-2.
Rapple Time,
Lamang ang
Rapple Time, Aldawa. And the Mian Drinks, Exploria, Racing Cranes, Paborito, Bar, Aquapina, Gatorade, and Pepsi. And we have 4 minutes and 35 remaining time. Official score, well, Norway. Ayan na. Out of bounds. 30 seconds shot clock. 30 seconds shot clock. Norway 12, France 10. Oy! Bato mo naman. Julio. Espolon, Trinidad ay easy 2-point Espolon. Ayan na, 14-10 in favor of Norway. Number 08, pass to number 10. On pull up jumper, using it in bottom to rebound. Rebound by number 41, Yuval. Ang ganda ng rebound! Basket foul! Single chance point by number 10. Official score 14. So one in favor of Norway. That's the Julio. Julio na 5 on the downtown. Julio! Noy! Foul sa isang kalboro. Pass to number 10, Derilenso. Natawagan ng foul. Foul number 47. First personal foul. 13 foul. Substitution. Okay, may substitution po tayo. Pumasok po si Mr. Lumon.
Jonas, huwag kang gagalaw dyan. Nasa gitna ka.
Ayan na, back to the moment. Lupa, tackle by number 15. Nasa harapan si Lumon. Payas! Pasok dun. Natabik. Tirado. Lupas ko Espolon. Ano naman si Espolon? Tinignan pa kalaban. 2 points. Espolon. Official score. We have 16-12 in Europe and Norway. We have 3 minutes and 8 minutes. 5 of the downtown. And rebound on number 10. Also Yubal. Easy 2 points. Using the glass. Okay, official score. We have 16-14. Just 2 points. 2 minutes and 55 remaining. Espolon! No hesitating. Espolon talaga. Ibang klase. 18-14. 2 minutes and 49. Ayan na. Number 08. Last to Yubal. Yubal guarded by Ponyo. Nasarapan si Yubal. Ibang klase. Hindi pa isa. Espolon now. Espolon nagmamadali. Look for opening man. Derilenso. Ay, pass to. Ang ganda number 28. Papagdaan na yan. 3 ay, hindi mo makatakbo na makailan. Out of bounds. Bam! Last touch. Last touch po ang bronze. Tagilid ba? We have 2 minutes and 11. Official score 18-14 in favor of Norway. Out of bounds. Subdivision. We have substitution. 15 seconds shot na. Beijing, Mr. Mike Florin. Mike Florin. Beijing, okay. 10 seconds shot na. Okay. On part of the downtown, number 3. Once again, Mike Florin. Inahanap na dito sa table ni Mr. Ryan. Ayan, back to the book. We have 1 minute and 47 minutes time. Ayan na si Mark. Okay, Julio, pull up jumper from the free throw line. Rebound, Espolon. Nice thing by Espolon. What a play, Espolon. Rebound, nakuha. Bato mo diretso. Pass to number 10. Pass to number 3. Number 3 now. Nagbabalik na sa harapan, medyo malaki. Naktabing ang mula. Diretso. Pass to number 8. Nasa lingkuran si Tirano. Number 10. Julio. 2 points. Ang ganda ng easy 2 points. Julio. Official score, we have 20-14. 6-point beat. 1 minute and 10. 1 minute and 10. Number 8. Number 8 now passing number 3. Captain by number 10. Easy open. And out of bounds. That's the white. We have 58 remaining time. Under a minute. 6 points lead. Number 3. Kibilig! Oh, what a play. Pull up jump from number 3. Kibilig. Official score 16-14. We have 44 seconds for play. 47-5 on the downtown. Number 14, Ihalo. 3 points. We have 33 remaining time. 23-16. Tigri. Ayan na. Number 21. Yesing, 2 points. Miranda. Nice move by Miranda. We have 20 seconds for the play. Shot clock is off. Espolon. Espolon now. Doing some mile. Espolon. Nice pull of job. Don't class. Espolon. Ayan na. Official score. 25. 10 seconds. Shot clock is off. 25. Ayan naman. Oh, sa ilalim. Easy to point. Yubal number 41. For our first quarter. Our first goal here, our first quarter was brought to you by our major sponsor. Once again, DHL.
Automatic.
Double time. Our power. We have also with God Exhibition Group and the Leon Queens. Florida. Vision Queen. Vision Queen. And Bar. Aquafina.
Nakapila.
Pepsi. Isa pa? Ayan na naman, pabigas na naman tayo. Ibang klase na naman ating mga sponsor kayo kaibigan. Mayroon po tayo mga shoot-out, 3-point shoot-out. Mga bigas yan, ha? O sa kabila, o isa na lang. Ayan na. Whoop, take your time. Bam! Si Mr. Aguirre, para pang-limang tiro na yan, sir, ah. Kanina na yan, sir. Mr. Aguirre, this time! Ay! Mr. Aguirre. Once again, we would like to thank our major sponsor, mamakinig po mga kaibigan, DSN, Choice, Uber Tea, and Travel Time. I also would like to thank Aldara, Bob and Sushi, Lamia Prince, Exploria, Lamia Prince, Easy Things,
Score 25-20. Lumang ang light.
Congratulations. Okay, starting out for us, Steve Warner. Obviously scored in the first half. First quarter, 25-20 in favor of Norway. Okay, starting out for us, Steve Warner. Pakalbang, captain by Hito. Pass to number 2. Dumakatan ko na. Bring out by number 3. Pagkabasok number 16. Number 16 now is control the ball pass to number 06. Number 06, Conquest number 10. Ay! Number passing down. Class of foul. Foul winning jersey number 8. Is below first personal foul. Is below first personal foul. First. Norway 25, France 22. Number 10.
Bye-bye.
Yes! Little play by number 10. Will be the score 23-25, just a little. Number 2. Number 2 pass to Bacombak. No, sige! Bacombak from down. Number 9 pass to number 3. Number 3. Number 3 pass to Yuban, using the gas. Rebound by number 29, long pass to Espolon. Easy 2 points.
Pass break. Espolon. Score 27-23. Lamang pa rin ang light.
Number 10, captain by number 10, pull up jumper. Number 76, using the gas in and out. Rebound by Bacombak. Number 2 now.
8 minutes na. Second quarter.
Bacombak na rin rin, sir. Pass ilalim. Oy, nilabas po yung Zola. Yung Zola na. Second step, shoot! Espolon! Bisa na siya. O, tinayuan nila. Makayuan na tapos ng bola. Number 3. Okay, pwede na kayo mag-sub, ha? Number 3. Pull up jumper. Ay, wala. Rebound by Mr. Espolon. Espolon now. Look for your pass to Bacombak. Almost close. Rebound by Bacombak. Ang mabagdari rin sa mga kaibigan. Tiga atas. Ay! Sinigula! Iba talaga. Iba talaga matangkad. Laking star.
Laking star marker.
Yan po. So, the 23 in favor of Norway. 6.8 minutes. Once again, pwede na po mag-sub and workings for a weekend. Pass to Satisfando by Yuban. Backing out to number... Ay! By number... 3 pass to Espolon, number 10. Taken more by Mr. Espolon. Okay, the score 31-23. Okay, mayroon po tayo substitution. We have 7 minutes and 4 waiting time. Second quarter. Sensi found the downtown. Yes! Only 2 points. 2 points. Okay, stay around. We have 7 minutes and 25 against 31. That's the number 21. Back to number 29. Nice move. Number 29. Back to number 7. Back on back. Rebound by number 5. Get it in! Ipapasing! Sayang! Back on back. Back on back. Ayan! Nice play by number 5. Back it around! That's the number 41. Yuban. Yuban first personal foul. First team foul. We have 7 minutes more to make 30-3. Okay, first we go to make a possible free throw play. Number 29, 33-25. Wala makinasasahan. Gabi ka lang kasi sinuwid. Yung mga sa ilalim. Ay, natawagan. Medyo malaki ang bantay. Foul na rin jersey number 99. First personal foul and second team foul. We have 33, Norway, France 25. 8 points lead by Norway with 6 minutes 51. Vector number 15 was brought to you by DXN. Second throw. Battle for the rebound. Number 29. Number 29 pass to number 26, Tirado. Pass to Obon. Nakabang back to Tirado. Take out to number 8. Is Goal number 99. Number 99. Ayan na po. Wow! Ay, is pa lang. 1, 2, 1. Isumapas! Tirado po! Tirado! Hindi na sure Mr. Yubata. Yubata sa po nila. Kaya tayo na po. Pass to number 2 to Chelsea. Sideline! Why? Natapit. Yubata using it. That's why. Yubata once again. Sideline! Pass! They down. And number 16. Official score 27. 26. Okay, 5 minutes and 15 minutes time. Ayan na ang 3 points! Okay, Jackson! Our timeout was brought to you by DXN, Greece, Cuba, Tree, Apple Time, Alcaro, Club and Switch Group, Laguna Greece, Exploria, Kissy Trends, Puerto Rico, Bar, Aquafina, Desiree, and Tipsy. That's our major sponsor. Making Christian our second.
Score 39-27. Lamang ang live. 5 minutes, 41 seconds.
We have 5 minutes and 41 minutes time. We are now in the second quarter.
Second quarter.
Kung sino pa yung nagbubuta, meron ba dyan ha? Meron pa mga mabubuhat dyan. May pansit. Okay, back to the ball again. We have 5 minutes and 36. Number 15, pass to Miranda. Pumasok mo kaibigan. 36, let it shoot. And to shoot. Kailangan na ba? Tatalagan ng foul. Foul number 47. Substitution. Number 47, first personal foul. Third team foul. Substitution po tayo. We have 5 minutes and 22 remaining time. 27, 39. Fourth get up. Second throw. Waiting for a rebound. Number 10. Bang! Okay, pumasok po ang pangalawang free throw. Okay, that's the winner. Ayan, ano sa gilid?
Tayo para magko-comment tayo, maririnig dito. Si Jevin, buhaya talaga ito eh. Nakatatlo na si Kaulos eh. Hindi naman ang ganda kung papaan yan. Magpapamagig nila.
Third national dog, number 10, Warren Alberti, with 4 minutes and 17 seconds. Number 10.
Kapatid kasi ano? Jonas, what?
TV.
Section sa likod. Oo nga. Parang
Number 06, delivery. Nakisip ko na kayo na sabi, it's a double premium.
yes!
Hi! Kanya ka talaga, Louie. The best ka talaga, Louie.
Mayawanag ng court ng puto. Kami lang ba?
47.
Ay!
Nice! Sino po bang malaki dito? Si Piging.
Ang right.
Kamya. Kamya? Kamya? Bakit?
Oh!
Wala si Kamya.
Ayan, nasa gitna. Number 06, left-handed. Pick up another. Pass number 15. Let it shoot. Can to shoot. Pass number 9. Ayan na. Ayan na. Ayan na. Offensive score, 33.
Parang late yung ano, up. Late yung ano, o yung score lang ang late mag-pindot.
Number 17. Tirado ang makumpang sa ilalim Julio. It's a 3 seconds violation. Okay. 1 minute and 33 minutes time. Yes. Ayan na. Kaya sa number 08. Pass on the downtown. Nagtitis. 1 minute and 15. Julio now to control the ball. Oh, apat na ako. Julio, hindi ko. Paso. Tirado. Paso mo kong ba? Makaumang pula siya ng piso dito. Oy! May mga number 10. Nagsabi na mamadali. Paso number 08. Number 8 now. Number 8. Paso number 06. Pull up the floor. Batang-batang. Number 9. George Temo! Norway. 48-30.
Norway, bakit doon ang turo ng ano? Baka yung court.
Parang ayaw niya, Mi.
Ang time of possibility of our official sponsor,
Si Maki.
James Cuba
Kakapilan lang namin si Maki nakakatiro.
Alcala.
Alin?
It's
Si Maki,
lifted.
bigas. Kulang na lang ibigay yung bigas ni Maki. Pinapatira pa. Sabi ko, Mak, pinapatira ka pa. Hindi pa naman pumunta yung bigas.
And maraming maraming salamat sa sponsor. Okay. Season 2. Viva Euro Cup. Okay, we have 55 seconds for 55 seconds. 48-45 with 30 points. Kasih Ronaldo. Pero isip si Ronaldo. Ronaldo ang number 43 Singapore. 45. Number 0. Paso, number 16. 5 on the downside. Another down by number 29. Number 59 now Paso. Ronaldo. Paso is Ronaldo. Okay.
Ito ba nga nandiyan na mga jersey?
Okay, wala na po ng
Ayan o, meron.
up, shoot out! Mga babae, guys! Okay, guys!
Boba ka ito. Sorry guys.
Okay, meron pong isang 5 kilo bigas. O pag-uwi mo, pagka-sabahan ng bigas, dalawang araw ay gusto ko yan. Ayan po, sabi na po,
Sari-sari story yata.
ay buti sa'yo naman yan! Ayan. Ay, lapit. And once again, we want to thank our sponsor, PXN, Grace, Sumapi, Travel Time, Argawa, Golf and Tourism Group, La Tree, Ex-Korea, Easy Stay, Paborito, Bar, Aquafina, Catering and Fishing. Ayan, picture tayo. Ay, short! Kabila! Kabila!
Doon mansion eh. Kanina pa ito si Ubang eh. At nakashoot na 10 kilo ng bigas nyo. Isang buwan. Anong aso kung
May nag-aaway po dito, oh. May nag-aaway, oh. May nag-aaway, oh.
Okay, back from the downtown. Wala, medyo malakas. Tingnan pa naman na yung aso. It's Polot. Number 12. Okay, now he wants to move. Okay. Yes, started. Ay, ang ganda. Sarap ng hangin.
ulam ay ulam?
Ganda-ganda po ng panahon ngayon. Medyo malamig alam naman. Ayan, actually, Julio, natin by number 29. Easy. Thank you. Wala po, delineation. Kaso, Pirana. Gigil.
Push. Oh. Dala yun. Dala yun. Sino may patapa?
Ibigay ko lang mula.
Wala mo ba?
Inbound by Rizan.
Ayun na.
Julio! Uy, wait up. Alikot. Ikaw by number 9. Ace pala. Ay, ito almost made it. You hear it. Back to Yuma. Mr. Yuma, there it is. Using the glass. The people in charge. Number 41, Mr. Yuma. Ayan po, 39-53. 40 points. Ayan na. Julio! Wow! What a play by Julio. Hindi ko pito. Pass to Mr. Miranda. Miranda to go. Pass to number 16. Number 16 drive. Easy drive. And then ball. Out of position. White boy. Enjoy. Okay. Konting ingat na po tayo. Okay. Automatic substitution. Number 2. Julio. Julio now. Look at the line. By number 3. Pass to 41. Yuma. Yuma. Easy. 2 points. Number 3. The score. 41-53. 1 point. We have 9 minutes more to play. Malapit na po tayo mag-substitution sa ating both teams. Number 2 now, control the ball. Pass to Makaway! Di ba pa kaya? Take the shoot! Is yun. Is Polot! Pull up jumper! Number 29 sa ating gagawang ikot. Pass to Makawang! Easy to point. Easy to takbong mayaman.
Talo yan ng Biyernes!
5 kilo bigas ka rin. Bakla. 0 minutes score. 55-1 points. Pass to number 15. Number 15 now. Pass to number 8. Ball wearing jersey number 29. Second personal foul. Number 29. First team foul.
Ano yan?
Okay, substitution. So, mayroon po tayong bigyan down.
SF yan.
Hindi kasi halata eh.
Okay, meron pa tayong parapos sa ating sapatos size 9.5. Dalawang free nito sa hindi po kapito uniform ng
Isa lang.
Ba't dalawa?
Dalawa ba?
dark Right. Yoy! Ayan. Pumasok po mga kaibigan. Okay, mayroon po tayong free throw out of your team. 8 minutes and 35, 2 free throw award with number 10. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Second row, ready for a rebound. Devante Julio. Number 2, Devante Julio. Devante Julio. Ay, wala ko pa. Ginigit.
Ano daw? Ay, yung horse. Tigidig daw, tigidig.
Ay,
Nako, slow motion.
video lang.
Bubuhat niyo.
Ay,
Piso.
Bubuhat niyo.
42-16. 7 minutes and 46.
ano daw?
Kidiling.
Kidig.
Captured by number 2.
Ay. Ay, nagsanto. Ay, sayang. Ay, dalawang video. Ah,
7 minutes, 45, 16.
score, 60-45. Lamang pa rin ang live.
Shutdown eh. Hapon!
Okay, register. 6
Shutdown.
minutes and 58. Tumawag po ng timeout and Doc Francis. Official score 60-45. Go with
Malek ka naman today.
Our timeout was brought to our sponsor.
Yes, wala na pala.
Sorry. Ubang Tea. Rapid Altawa. Gold Expo. Ex-Korea. Easy Dance.
Ano?
Bar. Aquafina.
Racing game.
Kaya ni Rona, nag-birthday na.
Walang pag-pizza lang siya.
Meron pa tayo na
Babalik na kasi. Babalik na.
kaya ang magpapawin ko sa atin. Ha?
Aalis sa trabaho si Kuya si Rona, professional. Pagkasok sa pagkakiro sa website, pag-continue sa
Trabaho.
nagkubuti na lang hindi ka makakakit. Kasi hindi siya ibibigay kung ibang sitwasyon.
Yun na. Oh. Sunod-sunod. Isa doon. Dalawa dito. Itang ba yun? Tatlong sunod-sunod.
Easy to point. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Ayan po. 47 against 30 points. 6 minutes and 25. We have now the third one. Sa comeback, pass to the red. Back to the comeback. Kailangan. Midjula.
Ayos, Desa. Meron ka ng ganyan, Desa.
Ay, nahihirapan.
Tira! Tira! Ay, short.
Sayang. 5 minutes and 58 remaining time. 47 against 60 with 13 points. lights, we are now the third quarter. Okay, kung gusto magpahinga, sabihin natin. Okay, last the 5 minutes and 43 remaining time. Number 2, Joy. Number 15, number 15.
Sampok na lang.
Okay, big score, 50. 60. 10 points na lang po. Okay. 10 to shoot. Tirado. Lupa to Yupal. Ayan na po.
Wow.
Basket count. Makumbang. Ibang makaibang. Ano? Candidate for this player. Once again. Oh, umikot number 3. Pass to number 15. This is number 8. Take a long time. Number 7. Okay, please score. You have 62. 9 points na lang po mga yan. 4 minutes. 34 minutes. Nakauta.
Ano pa niyo si Hardel? Ano?
Ay, nakaiwa na natin
Sa amin,
last
ganap
book.
na dito.
Kung sino pong
Naalala ni Mark.
Nakaubang veteran mo.
Ay!
Patong po rin ba? Pick up point number 06. Nasa laban. Natawagan ko. Foul number 66. Tirano. First personal foul. Third team foul.
Third team foul pa
Official
lang.
score 65-53 with 3 minutes and 38 remaining time. Third quarter. Ayan na. Number 7. Pass na ngayon. Yuman Makati. Ayan po. Mr. Rudy. Uy, nasa naman naman yung deliberation Mr. Rudy. Uy, wala pa kung nasa pick up by Mr. Tirano. Deliberation. Uy, wala pa rin ang mula. Shoot. Nakauba. Nakauba kung umikot. Wala pinapasol. Wow! Okay, sa 3 seconds penetration. Substitution. Ito tayo substitution ng kapitan. Nakauba out. Okay, after. Ayan, pagod namin si Mr. Yuba. Okay, we have 3 minutes and 3 minutes and 5. 12 points, 53-65. Quarter pa lang tayo. Think after number 15. Kailangan. Number 3, kapapasok ng kanina. Wala pa pinapapasok. Ito na number 3. Using nila. Why not? Number 3, nagmamadali. Basket, use 3 doon. Baseball on! Basket lang ba talaga? Pag binirano nga talaga, wala kakaba-kaba. 2 minutes and 42 remaining time. 7 with 14 points lead by White Norway. Captain by number 6. Medyo malaki ang bantay. And now, reward by number 47. Doon pasa naman Ispolon. Ispolon na naman ang bali. Almost Ispolon. Uy! Sorry play by Mr. Lee. Ibang class. Ispolon. Ang ganda na tulog yung Mr. Ispolon. Ayan po ba yung... Akala ko pagkagay eh.
Wala, talo yan ng Biyernes! Mamamit sila sa sila sa kalaman na tayo. Ha? Number 2 kami.
Julio, what? We have under a minute. Wow! We have 1 minute and 4.
namin.
Marami na si Tropa, parang bigas-bigas lang.
Ayan na po, 60, 56, 72. 1 minute and 43 minutes. Number 3, pass to number 10, Tumira. Tumira. Rebound by Newton Bombado. Number 47, pass to Espolon. 1-1. Uy! Guys, move by them. Ayun, God, God, Espolon! Ano sa tayo dito? Espolon bago yung rebound by Sir Luis. Ayan na, Gerardo. Relax na tayo. Dapat po sila. Okay, 10 to shoot. Julio! Uy! Rebound. Take up by number 10. They'll pass to number 10. Number 8 now. Number nasa 2 minutes lang. Hindi ko lang natuloy. Okay, substitution. Substitution. 1 minute and 8. We have 72. Running score 72-56. 1 minute and 8. We are now in the third quarter. 56-72. As captain, number 28, wala batay. Why nag-50 sa ilalan? Ayan, pick up. Ibang kaso sa Sinaron. Ayan, visited. Number 3, nagkamadali. Number 3, next move. Pass to number 06. Pass move po. Pick up. Okay. Wow. Oh, ganda lang ang hassle number 4. Ispiran. Ispiran na, nagkamadali.
Ay, hindi ka nagbabasketball, di wala.
Gerardo, Julio, 1-1, Julio, number 10. Ay, wala! Oh, tumitin, oh. Tumitin sa talaga. Ayan, number 3, Dalitricho. Taas kamay. Ayan ang number 10, 58, we have 19 seconds, shot clock sa off. Why? Doon, may bilis na po yan. Oh, may natawagan po. Now, there is jersey number 06. Okay, we have 12 seconds more play. 12 seconds. Our substitution. Pagkatapos ng third quarter, mayroon tayo ng Ramos. Ayan.
Third pa lang pala eh, hindi pa naman po.
We have 12 seconds. Shot clock is off. Is full on. Pass! Pass it down. 7 seconds more play. Out to 5. Our one pair of shoes. Okay, meron ka na. Ano, lalaki na o lalaki? Ang lalaki na naman, shoot out. Bigas. Ang dami na naman.
Pila.
Kasi pinupuli mo na talaga 5 kilos of rice. Ayan na. And then, meron po, kailangan na tayo. Ang back po natin, makaibigan. Starting from Ramos.
Handa.
Nadali na kalpo.
Uwi ka na. Uwi ka na.
Armando Recto. Wala na ba? Okay.
Para po ulit, para po ulit.
Ay, si Mr. Fernando.
Sampa. Sampa.
Number 34. Kulo.
Ay.
Kulo. Kulo. Ano rin namin? Ay, ayan, Rolita, Rolita.
Sabi naman yun.
Jumis Pulan!
Ah, siya.
Wala na, si Jumis ba? Wala. Mr. Jumis Pulan! This is Pulan! Ayan, all together! Congratulations, tayo tayo babago. Mayroon pa tayong dalawang water This is po na. Ay, mag-position po tayo. Makikita mo natin ang ating mga pictures na Tita Page. Okay, thank you. Tita Tita, 108. Team, 108. 1-0. Okay, kasi wala. Okay, Tita Page, thank you. Sino kayo nakakuha ng 1-0? Ayan na. Number 23. Maaga to, maaga to. Jeffrey Miranda. Ano, easy to, Michelle. Ayan na. Miranda. Ayan po, mga kwato ng kanyang picture. Isa pa po. Okay, meron pa po. Isang water dyan. Okay, number 99. Balagtas, Mr. Alvin Balagtas. Okay, once again, ayan na.